Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Right to life in the legal framework of Pakistan is the topic of discussion. Dear friends, you know the right of life is embodied in the Article 9 of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan 1973 under the heading Security of Person. Article 9 Constitution of Pakistan 1973 states, no person shall be deprived of life or liberty save in accordance with law. Remember it, the fact that this right is placed at the very beginning of the chapter 1 that deals with the fundamental rights of citizens of Pakistan in our constitution wants to tell something about the significance of right to life. The phraseology is taken from the Irish legal framework as the words in accordance with law that are adopted. It implies that whenever some act or omission is committed to the detriment of life or any of the freedom of a person, it must be lawful and it must be legal and not illegal. That has been justly elaborated in the case of Siddharam Stangappa Matre versus the state of Maharashtra and others, and that has been reported in the Supreme Court of India 2011 SCC page 1. Basically, it implies that whenever some act or omission is committed to the detriment of life or liberty, that will be lawful. And similar provisions could be found in the Article 5, Clause 2 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1956 and Fundamental Right number 1 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1962. It is the historical aspect of right to life in the previous constitutions of Pakistan in 1956 and 1962. And you know, right to life is also available under the Article 21 of the Constitution of India. Basically, India adopted the version from Japan and substituted the words as except according to the procedure established by law. American Constitution laid down under the Fifth Amendment due process clause. No person shall be deprived of life, liberty, or property without due process of law. That is the Fifth Amendment due process clause, Constitution of the United States of America. And I feel Article 9 of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan 1973 and Article 21 of the Indian Constitution are formulated on the pattern of 5th and 14th Amendment of the Constitution of the United States of America. Similar provision is found at the Article 4 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973 that reads, no action detrimental to life, liberty, body, reputation, or property of any person shall be taken except in accordance with law. You know, right to life is the basis for the utilization of all other rights. It is this reason that wide meaning to be given so as to allow the people to avail themselves of the benefit of every right as well. And that has been also a settled principle which has been elaborated in the All India Reporter in the case of Francis Collarle Mallan versus the administrator, that was reported in the All India Reporter 1981, Supreme Court of India, page 746. Basically, courts have delivered various judgments which shape controls to the right of life. Therefore, it would not be out of place here to have a look at the precedent of the superior courts of India, Pakistan, and United States of America relating to the right to life. Right to life cannot be given limited meanings. It is the basic right which, after its establishment, lead to the other rights. It is not used in the restricted sense in the Article 9 of the Constitution of Pakistan 1973. A broad meaning should be given to enable an individual to enjoy his right to life freely, and his liberty should not at any stake. He should live a free life. That has been elaborated in Adilur Rahman versus Federation of Pakistan and others case, a landmark judgment in 2005, PTD Supreme Court of Pakistan, page 172, and Khurram Khan Advocate versus the Government of Punjab, PLD 2009, Lahore High Court, page 22 इसमें, and 2004 CLC Karachi, page 1353. Rather, I feel it is considered that mother of all other rights. Right to life, mother of all other rights. Right to enjoy individual rights and security from encroachment upon the individual rights is held to be including in the right to life. If somebody's right to life is infringed, then I feel every right is infringed, and has been elaborated in the landmark judgment of Natasha Rashid versus Rashid Zar and others case, PLD 2010, Karachi High Court, page 119. And right to life in the legal framework of Pakistan is our topic, and we will discuss inshallah at the different sessions. And it is not a brief lecture, it is just a gossip. It is just a gossip on the legal issues in Hebrew language. It is not a lecture. Please take it. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.